Ay, darling. Quick. Spoiler, tengo nada ahí. This was here. What have Hitler done?
What the hell happened here?
Ay, the baby.
Excella, what's going on?
Why? When I've done so much. All for you.
Ay, the
Fred,
baby.
how nice of you to join us.
Wesker,
Don't worry, your mission is at its end. Ouroboros is on the eve of its appearance. 6 billion cries of agony will birth a new balance.
sorry, Wesker, but not on my watch.
Albert, you said we change this world together. Why?
I thought they were partners.
Wesker doesn't give a damn about anybody but himself.
Soon,
Because he's
even you
evil.
will understand, Chris. One
Evil.
glimpse of my new world, and it will all make perfect sense.
Show yourself!
No.
Unfortunately, it's too late for you. You will not live to see the dawn. Sorry, Excella, but it appears Ouroboros has rejected you. Though you have been an excellent asset, I have one last task for you. Farewell, old friend.
Get ready for the biggest, slimmest, stickiest, whatever. Tentacle break. Of doom. No se quedó allí. ¡Tetsuo! Go. Tetsuo is angry. Run.
Persistent son of a bitch.
So now what? You think our weapons can hurt that thing?
I don't know. We gotta get the hell out of here before it destroys this place.
It's tearing through the ship. We can't stay here.
No. You can touch the safari. Wow. Okay. Get out. Wow, hello. people. Fuck! I need the key. Ah, there. Hello? Dead. No. Get ready for the bottle. Bây giờ không? Massive damage! TETSUOOOOO is dead. Final stage. Yeah, everything is fine. I hope.
So that's the news. The end of the world if it ever gets out.
God damn it, Wesker. He's actually serious about destroying the entire...
The dorm. He only wants evolution.
Wait.
An assault bomber. When Jill said Wesker was planning to spread Ouroboros throughout the world.
He's planning to use this to spread it.
The Black Wing of the X-Men.
There he is. Come on, let's go. Jill, are you alright?
I'm fine. Don't worry about me. Just listen carefully. There's something I need to tell you. Wesker's superhuman strength. It comes from a virus.
No shit!
But the virus is unstable. In order to maintain a balance, he must inject himself regularly with a serum.
So if we cut the supply of serum, he loses his strength.
Affirmative. But he just took a dose, so it's going to be a while before he needs another one.
Damn.
Listen, Excella said that the amount administered has to be precise. So if he injects too much, it should act like a poison. I think she used a serum labeled PT678W.
PT678W.
I'm going to try to find a way to escape. You need to find that serum. Excella always kept it with her, and that's how she came.
Jill, come in. Jill!
No.
Shit.
Chris, this is it.
Yep.
Let's give it a shot.
Let's give storage to Wesker.
All my equipment, missiles. You can't play around in that without getting shot down.
It's like, yes, bump.
Exactly. The plane can't get shot down. If it does, it'll initiate a biohazard.
It's just like Jill said. He's planning to spread...
Blah, 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 blah. Wash. No, self-destruction. No. No in this game.
Fire detected in the engine room. Warning. Sealing off area with primary bulkhead. Evacuate the area immediately. Warning. Sealing off area with secondary bulkhead. Evacuate the area immediately.